I want to be a YouTuber.
I want to be a teacher.
I want to be an engineer.
I want to make video games. I love mathematics.
The kids you just saw, they have the same dreams we had, but they also have something we didn't: a map and guidance, and time to actually try. We meet parents who want their children to believe in their dreams and make them real, but don't know where to start. That's what great education is for: to help a child discover what they truly enjoy, what they are naturally good at, and what that could become in the real world of real professions.
I try to choose these classes because it's first, because my son would like to do the technology thing, and secondly, because as a parent, I would like to support him as much as I can.
Today, tech and math are like superpowers. They are everywhere. So whatever child wants to become, engineer, designer, doctor, the skills help them to make it real. Our students start with fundamentals and end up building real things like games, applications, even AI and design projects.
As a parent, you worry about who your child spends time with, because that circle quietly becomes their future. That's why environment matters as much as the program at Algonova. Our teachers aren't just instructors. They're mentors who respect each student, who know them personally and give real feedback.
And our job as a tutor is to encourage the student so they're always willing to try over and over again without afraid of making a mistake.
I want every one of these children to realize their potential, not in theory, but in real life. That's why at Algonova we build the foundations that matter: curiosity, real understanding, and skills the world truly needs. For 10 years, over 1 million students across 90 countries learn with Algonova.